But then I heard a noise from the basement. It wasn't just a creak or a thud, it was something entirely different. The sound made every hair on my neck stand on end. Kevin shrugged it off, saying it was probably an animal, but I wasn't so sure. It didn't sound like any animal I had ever heard. It was too deliberate, too human. My chest tightened as unease crept over me, but I forced myself to stay calm. It's not my problem, I told myself. I'll just mind my own business. However, deep down, I couldn't shake the feeling that whatever was down there had already noticed us. For the brave souls who dare to tread deeper into the shadows, follow Terran Conrad for the rest of this chilling tale. Share it with your friends if you're willing to drag them into the darkness alongside you. Thank you for reading with us, and welcome to Phobia Publishing, where fear isn't just a feeling, it's a way of life.